It's been over 2 years since Electric Kicks launched the Apollo Phantom electric scooter into the Australian market. We are about to unbox the Apollo Phantom today. Whoa!
Hurry up, man, give me a ride, I'm itching.
And what an incredible scooter it was. Today, we have some exciting news to announce.
Yeah, absolutely. We get to introduce the Phantom V3 to Australia. I couldn't think it was possible, but Apollo have gone and made a fantastic scooter, even better. And today I'm going to jump in and get to show Australia all the cool new features. So let's do it. All right, so one of the very first things you'll notice about the brand new V3 is the display. It's a brand new shape, it's slightly bigger, but more importantly, it's actually brighter. Now, the reason it's brighter is that a lot of feedback from a lot of riders was that they were having trouble viewing the display in bright and direct sunlight. So Apollo listened to this and addressed it, and they created a brighter display.
And that's what I love about Apollo, is they're always willing to take the customer's feedback into account when doing the new iterations of all their scooters, and the Phantom has been no exception.
One of the big changes is that in the original Phantom, you had 3 options for speed: Gear 1, Gear 2, and Gear 3. But the V3 has added a 4th. It's called Ludo mode. Now, this really is so that you can extract as much power out of both the battery and motor as possible, giving you the most thrilling ride.
And what I love about this is it really is the scooter for all riders, whether you're commuting or you want that extra thrill, hit Ludo mode and you just go. So Joe, one of the most exciting things in R&D that Apollo have developed is their new Mach 1 controller. This is an incredible piece of technology developed in-house by Apollo for the Phantom V3 electric scooter, and it really is the entire brain of the scooter.
Absolutely. I mean, when we talk about the V3 Phantom, this is the main piece of the puzzle. I mean, this controls everything. And some of the biggest features, so first of all, it changes the whole power curve on acceleration, which was something, there was a bit of feedback from customers originally. It was a little bit jerky, so they've addressed that, and you've got a much smoother and linear takeoff. It adds a new regenerative braking lever, which is an independent braking from your normal disc brakes. But one of the biggest things about the Apollo Mach 1 controller is that it now allows for the app integration and allows you to jump in with the Apollo app, change all your settings, and adjust things like cruise control and your power levels and everything.
So Joe, you mentioned about the regen braking system, which is new to the Apollo Phantom V3. Now, regen braking in itself isn't new to the scooter market. What is different about the regen braking on the Phantom, and why does it matter?
Great question. First of all, we've never seen an independent regenerative braking system on a scooter of this caliber. It's usually on a very small, light commuter scooter. But Apollo's new controller and system has enabled it to be active on a powerful scooter. And it's even so good that it can pull the scooter up on its own without using the mechanical brakes. Another benefit is that by doing that, you'll then got less wear and tear on your mechanical brake system. So if you're just using the regen braking on its own, all you're doing is benefiting the scooter by pumping power back into the battery and extending your range.
And that being said, Joe, you can jump on the mechanical brakes as a backup if you need it. So there are actually 3 sets of braking: the right, the left, and the regen brake, enabling additional safety as well as all those benefits and features you discussed. So Joe, on top of all these additions, Apollo have still maintained all the great features we've come to know and love.
Absolutely, like 1,000 lumen headlight that puts out a fantastic beam at night. Still has your tail light, front and rear indicators, and the quadruple spring suspension, giving you all the strength and power to ride in every terrain. All right, so today we've run through the Apollo Phantom V3, and we know, that the V2 has been a massive seller and Australia has been buying it like mad. How does Australia get their hands on the V3 now?
Well, Joe, they can jump online to Australia's highest rated electric scooter and ride site, electrickicks.com.au, or give the team a call today.